Hello everybody and welcome back to another Pre and Ponders video. So in this one we're going to be learning about the different keywords that we can use inside loops. So let's get started. So here we have our pie chart and there's main.py and all. So if we just create a for loop, so for I in range. And then let's just say we can do this for 5 times. And then if we just print I, it'll print 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 as we know already. Because it doesn't go to 5, it'll just go 1 before 5. And it'll start at 0. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So say if we only wanted to print 0 and 1. Then what we can do is we can use a keyword in a list. So if we do if we do an if statement, saying if I is equal to 2, and this is a conditional. So when you're using conditions, equal means to compare. No, and the just one equals, it's a set of value equal to something. But yeah, but equals is still compare two values. So now if we print I, it should just show 2. But we want to print just 0 and 1. So how we can do that is if we use the break keyword. And then we print I after. Then it'll print 0 and 1. And of course we could just change this for loop value to 2 and just delete this code and delete this. But we're not gonna do that because I'm teaching you about keywords in a loop. And of course this can also work for while loops and all. So our next keyword is pass. So say if we didn't want anything in the if statement, we just wanted an empty if statement, then it would give this error. But we don't want anything in the if statement, and then we wanted to not give an error. So to do that, we can type pass. So what this does is it doesn't do that. It doesn't do the if statement. I mean, like it does if statement, but it doesn't do anything inside it. And we can also use this for saying if anything is blank. So say if we just had another loop. So say if we just had for I in range 2, and then if we run that, it will give an error. But now if we put pass over there, it won't give an error. It'll just run the code above. And we can also use it for we can also use it for functions. Say if we had a function, and if we just run it like, and then we have to run the function, of course. So function, function. Okay. So now we try running it, it'll give an error because this doesn't have anything inside it. But if we put pass, then it'll run the function and there won't be an error. So that's what pass does. And pass isn't just for loops, of course, as I just told you. It's for like if statements and whatever you want. So now if we, and our last list keyword is continue. So continue. I think I spelled that wrong. Yeah, there. Continue. So what the continue does is it just skips all the code like ahead of that, and it runs it again. So what this will do is it won't print I this time. It'll just print it won't do this because we're saying continue over here. So if we do this, it won't print 2 because it can't because the continue makes it so that it doesn't run any of the code after this. It just skips to the next to the next number, which is 3. So that was the video. That was the Premium Founders video, and see you in the next one. Bye.